So here's the water filter system. One side of the filter gets connected to your main water source, and the other side of the filter get to connect to your espresso machine. So you can tell by reading here, when it says in, that means this side is where water goes in, so this side should be connected to your main water line. And then on the other side says out, this is where it connects to your espresso machine. As you can see, this one is connected to my water line, and this one is connected to my espresso machine here. So to purge the machine, on the espresso machine side of the filter, there's this tube. All you have to do is turn on this valve. Water will come out from this plastic tube and into a wasted bucket.